Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about monopoly, one of the most important market structures in economics. We'll go through its features, understand how monopolists maximize profit, and finally look at the break-even condition using graphs. So let's get started. A monopoly is a market structure where there is only one seller and many buyers. The product is unique and has no close substitutes. There are high barriers to entry, which prevent new firms from entering the market. The monopolist has complete control over price, but must still respect the downward sloping demand curve. In short, monopoly means one seller, no entry, and full control over pricing. The key characteristics of monopoly are one seller, many buyers, demand curve slopes downward, no entry or exits, full control over price, no perfect substitution. Profit maximization in monopoly market. Here we have a table that shows the revenue and cost schedule of a monopolist. The first column is the quantity of output produced. The second column is average revenue, which is basically price per unit. The third column shows marginal revenue, or the additional revenue from selling one more unit. Next we have average total cost, which tells us the cost per unit at each level of output. And finally, the last column shows marginal cost, which is the extra cost of producing one more unit. By comparing marginal revenue with marginal cost, we can find the profit maximized output. Remember, the monopolist maximizes profit where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. This table gives us the necessary data to identify that point. Now, let's look at the profit maximization graph. The monopolist maximizes profit at the output Q star, where marginal revenue MR equals to marginal cost MC. From Q star, draw a line upward until it meets the demand curve AR. That point gives the price P. The monopolist will charge. Total revenue TR is represented by the rectangle APOQ star. Total cost TC is represented by the rectangle BPOQ star. Profit pi equals to TR minus TC. Shaded area APCB. This shaded region represents supernormal profit, meaning the monopolist is earning more than the normal cost of production. Break-even point. Here is a possible data table extracted from the graph around the break-even point. At Q star 4, AR equals to AC equals to 12. So the firm earns normal profit. Look at the break-even graph. At Q star equals to 4, the average revenue AR is equal to average cost AC. Here price equals cost, so TR equals TC. Profit is zero, meaning the firm is covering all costs but not earning extra. Graphically, the AR curve just touches the AC curve at its lowest point. This is the no profit, no loss situation. To sum up, a monopoly is a market with one seller, barriers to entry, and no substitutes. The monopolist maximizes profit where MR equals to MC. Depending on the relationship between revenue and cost, the monopolist may earn supernormal profit or just break even. That's all for today's video on monopoly. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more economics lessons. Thanks for watching.